Isang character na ginagaya mo ay si Princess Aurora.
Can you translate the English?
Naku po, yari English. Again, Miss Halea, ayan. Your favorite princess character is Princess Aurora. Do you know that Princess Aurora is in the Cubao? Mali. Ikaw naman, isapan ako eh.
So, speaking of Princess Aurora, what character of Princess Aurora you have?
Kindness and beauty.
Oh, you don't have beauty.
Yun lang pala sagot niya eh. Pina-English pa ako eh.
Englishera siya, is friend.
Pero may trivia din kasi. Si
Okay.
Princess Aurora ay si Snow White. Tama ba? Ay, Sleeping Beauty.
Yes.
Tama ba? So bakit gising ka? Dapat natulog ka.
I just got awoken by a prince.
Oh!
Nosebleed ako dun.
Kaya nga, is friend eh. Kaya nga, parang feel ko, tatabi na ako.
Mamaya, sa pupunta ako sa Aurora Cubao.
Yeah, Princess Aurora Cubao, Quezon City.
Kaya, yung trivia natin na si Princess Aurora ay si Sleeping Beauty.
Yes.
Para alam po ng lahat, ha? Sa Disney,
Princess.
Disney Princess.
Yes.
Ayan.
Right? Once again, a big round of applause, guys, to our third batch.